National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Trempealeau County in west central Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Galesville, or 13 miles southeast of Arcadia, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Trempealeau County, including the following locations: Peacock Hill, Thimble Park, Ettrick, Camp Decorah, and Frenchville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Trempealeau, Wisconsin,